Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So last class we have completed Sahitya Sagar lesson 3rd Mahayagya ka Puraskar. Okay, so today's class we are going to see Naya Rasta lesson 5. Till 4 we have completed. Today we'll see Naya Rasta lesson 5. So till lesson 4 what was there? That Daya Ramji, he is going to Meerut to see the Amit's family. What is happened there? Why they have asked Asha's proposal, Meenu's proposal, why they have rejected. He is going to meet there, and after reaching there, he come to know that their family, Amit's family, already they have fixed one marriage. Where? With whom? With Sarita. So his father, he is feeling very sad and he is coming back to home. So we'll see here what is happening here. अध्याय 5। अपने जीवन की परिस्थितियों से विवश होकर मीनू के हृदय में कई बार हीन भावनाएं उत्पन्न हुई। कई बार उसे ऐसा आभास हुआ कि उसका जीवन बिल्कुल व्यर्थ है, परंतु मीनू जैसी योग्य और होनहार युवतियों के लिए ऐसी भावनाएं उचित नहीं थी। So here Meenu, because the present condition what was there, in which all condition he was going on, because the boys they are coming and they are rejecting her. First they will say yes, and after when they are giving their answer, so they are giving the no. So like that the different things is happening in Meenu's life. So because of that only she become very sad and she started thinking that I am not good, I am not looking very good, like that she was thinking, and just she is thinking my life is waste only, nothing else. But she is very talented, she is good in everything. Because of that only when she is thinking like that, so this type of thought is not good for her. वह स्वयं ही दृढ़ता और साहस की मूर्ति है। उतार चढ़ाव तो हर इंसान की जिंदगी में आते रहते हैं। उसने साहस से काम लिया, उसने विवाह का सपना देखना ही छोड़ दिया। उसके सामने इतनी लंबी जिंदगी पड़ी थी कि उसका एक क्षण भी व्यर्थ नहीं होने देना चाहती। So what happened? She is the very courageous and important in her life. Because of that only she stopped thinking about the marriage and she decided that I will go for the and I will do in my life something. Like this she decided, and she was saying that my life is not waste. She come over with her all the problems and she decided that I will never marry in the life, and she started thinking to higher studies. यूं तो बचपन से ही उसकी वकील बनने की इच्छा थी, परंतु उसके माता पिता की इच्छा ना थी कि उसे हॉस्टल भेजे। आज मीनू के मन में उभरी लगन को देखकर उन्होंने उसे वकालत पढ़ने की आज्ञा दे दी। So in from the childhood she started dreaming and thinking that I will become a lawyer only. So but mother and father they are not at all ready to leave her in the hostel. Because of that only mother and father they are not allowing her. But when she is doing this much hard work and the present situation is what is there, they understood that one and they allow her to go for the higher study. मीनू ने मेरठ में वकालत में दाखिला ले लिया था। उसके हृदय में लगन थी कुछ बनने की, कुछ कर दिखाने की। अपने पांव पे खड़े होकर वह इतना पैसा कमा लेना चाहती थी जिससे वह समाज में सिर ऊंचा करके रह सके। इस समाज में चारों ओर पैसे की तो इज्जत है, हर जगह पैसे का बोलबाला है, बस पैसा ही पैसा, हर व्यक्ति इसी होड़ में जुटा है। सो मीनू ऑलरेडी टुक द एडमिशन इन मेरठ इन द लॉ। उसके हृदय में कुछ बन दिखने का इच्छा थी। सो ऑलरेडी शी हैज डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल बी समथिंग इन माई लाइफ, एंड शी वाज सेइंग दैट मच मनी आई कैन अर्न and I will live my life, because nowadays the people are thinking about only the money, and she also think like that. मीनू पहली बार अपने माता पिता से अलग हो रही थी। अभी तक हमेशा साथ रहकर ही पढ़ी थी। 15 दिन ही तो रह गए थे उसके जाने में। कैसे रहेगी वह हॉस्टल में, कल्पना मात्र से वह सिहर उठती। परंतु परंतु यह सोचकर उसका रोम रोम पुलकित हो उठता कि वह भी एक वकील बनेगी. So first Meenu, she was thinking that first time she is leaving her mother and father because she completed the MA, then after that she is going for the higher study for the law. So first time she is leaving her family and mother and father, so she was thinking like that. Only the 15 days was remaining there, then she was thinking that how I will leave without my parent, without my brother and sister. So like that she was thinking, and she is little bit upset also. But the next moment when she is thinking that I will be become a vakil, I will be become a lawyer, so that happiness giving her more strength. मीनू ने अपने लिए नए नए कपड़े बनवाए. पहली बार हॉस्टल जाने का चाव था. माँ ने उसके लिए विभिन्न प्रकार के व्यंजन बनाए. एक एक दिन करके उसकी पसंद की सारी चीजें बनाकर उसे खिलाई. So Meenu, what she did, she is going the first time hostel, so mother just making everything, the dishes what she like, all the food items what she like, one day and next day other day she is making the different type of food and giving to her. And Meenu also, what she is doing the preparation, she stitch the new clothes, dresses, and she also is preparing. Now she is also is moving to the hostel. माँ को लग रहा था कि बेटी ना जाने कितने समय बाद फिर आएगी. पिताजी भी जब ऑफिस में आते तो उनके खाने के लिए कुछ न कुछ अवश्य लाते. After that mother is also started thinking when she is going to hostel, then after that when she will come back to the home. So she did not went to the hostel, but before that mother started thinking that. So father also, when he is coming from the office, he also will bring something for Meenu. आखिर मीनू का हॉस्टल जाने का दिन आ गया. उसके सामने एक उद्देश्य था, एक सपना था जो पूरा करना ही था. घर छोड़ते समय मीनू की आंखों से आंसू उछाल पड़े. कितना अजीब लग रहा है उसे घर छोड़ना. अपनी माँ भाई बहन से पहली बार अलग हो रही थी. सो द डे केम when she has to leave the house and she has to go to the hostel. The days came. So already she has one aim in her life, that she want to complete her dream, that she want to become a lawyer. So when she is leaving her house, so she started crying, and she is feeling very sad. The first time she is leaving mother, father, sister, brother, everyone. So that sadness was there, but other side she was very happy that she is going for the higher study. माँ ने उसे सीने से लगाकर आशीर्वाद दिया. बेटी, एक दैदीप्यमान नक्षत्र बनकर तुम जग को प्रकाशमान कर दो. जीवन की सारी खुशियां तुम्हारे पास हो. तुम अपने उद्देश्य प्राप्ति में सफल हो. यही ईश्वर से मेरी प्रार्थना है. So mother, she is just hugging and giving her blessing, saying to her that you have to be like a star all the time. It will twinkling in the sky. You should be like that. Okay. And in your life all the happiness and all the joy should be there, or what you have aim in your life, you have to success in that. Mother is giving like that, and mother is praying to the God and giving her blessing. अपने माता पिता का आशीर्वाद और छोटे भाई बहन का प्यार साथ लिए मीनू ऐसी डगर पर चली जा रही थी जहां उसे यह नहीं ज्ञात कि कितने परिश्रम के बाद उसे सफलता मिलेगी, परंतु अपने जीवन का एक उद्देश्य बनाकर उसकी पूर्ति के लिए वह अपना कदम बढ़ाए जा रही थी. सो मीनू already she is leaving mother and father and their love and their caring. With that she is moving to the hostel, and she don't know how much time she will be reaching in her goal, how much hard work she has to do. She don't know nothing. With the zero she is going to start her new life, and in her new life what all difficulty and how much she has to do the hard work she don't know, but she started the new journey in her life. हॉस्टल पहुंचने पर शुरू में मीनू का बिल्कुल भी दिल ना लगा. कुछ नया और अजीब सा प्रतीत हुआ. शुरू में वहां उसकी अधिक सहेलियां नहीं बन पाई थी. वह अपना अधिकतर समय पुस्तकों के साथ निकालती थी. सो व्हेन शी रीच्ड इन द हॉस्टल, तो व्हेन शी रीच इन द हॉस्टल शुरू में बिल्कुल कम टाइम था. सो दैट इन दैट लेस टाइम शी कांट फ्रेंडशिप विद एवरीवन, एंड व्हेन फर्स्ट टाइम शी इज लिविंग हर हाउस, सो शी इज नॉट एट ऑल that much happy. She is finding very difficulty to adjust with others, and she has some friends friends only. So most of the time she will read the book, like that she is spending her time. किताब हाथ में लिए लिए वह अतीत की स्मृतियों में खो जाती। जब वह छोटी थी तो एक दिन उसके पिताजी ने उससे पूछा था, बेटी तुम बड़ी होकर पढ़ लिख कर क्या बनोगी? So when she is reading her book, so that time she was thinking about the past, all the past what happened in her life. So when she was child, when she was a small girl, like 8 or 9 or 10 year old, that time a father was asking to her that when you will grow up, so when you will study and you will complete your education and studies everything, so what you will be? She was saying that. नन्ही मीनू ने जवाब दिया, पिताजी मैं पढ़ लिख कर वकील बनूंगी, मुझे वकील बनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So when she was the small kid, small girl, that time also, and that time only she decided that she will become a lawyer only. So that time also she is giving that answer to father that I will become a lawyer only because I like that profession. Okay. पास बैठी माँ ने कहा, अरे हट, वकील वगैरह कुछ नहीं बनना है, कौन पढ़ाएगा तुझे इतना, बस 18 साल की उम्र में शादी कर देंगे, फिर लड़कियों को कौन पढ़ाता है इतना, लड़कों की बात और है. So when she was the child, that time when father is asking one day, the incident is happening in that time. So when father is asking, Meenu, when you will grow up, what you will be become? So she is giving that answer that I will be become a lawyer only. So mother is saying, mother is sitting nearby, so mother is saying, no, girls, they have to not study this much, and you will become a 18, I will be search the boy and I will get married to you and you have to go to your husband's house. Mother is saying like that. Girls has to not study that much. Okay, how much they have to study, that is enough for them, not that much higher education, no need to go. The boys, they are different, not like a girls. Mother is saying. अभी मीनू अतीत की स्मृतियों में खोई थी कि इतने में उसकी सहेली माया ने आकर, मीनू देखो तुम्हारे पिताजी आए हैं, गेस्ट रूम में बैठे हैं. What she was doing? She is reading the book and she is thinking about the past. So suddenly what happened when she is thinking the past? So her friend Maya, she came and she is saying that your father came and he is waiting for you in the guest room. ओके, पिताजी का नाम सुनकर मीनू एकदम बिस्तर पर किताब रखकर उछलकर भागी. 2 दिन बाद ही पिताजी मिलने के लिए आ गए थे, परंतु फिर भी उसे ऐसा लगा मानो उसने उनसे बिछड़े हुए बहुत लंबा समय हो गया है. Only the 2 days is over. Okay, when she heard that father came, so suddenly she kept the book on the bed and she ran and went to meet the father. Only the 2 days is over and father came to meet her. So she was very happy. She is thinking like after long time she is meeting her parent or father. Okay, पिताजी को देखकर मीनू खुशी से फूली न समाई. माँ ने उसके लिए काफी सारा सामान बनाकर भेजा था. So what happened when she meet her father? What happened? She was feeling very happy because mother made so many things for her and she was very happy for that after seeing that, because only the 2 days is over. Mother sent some sweets and some what she liked, that all the items mother sent to in the hostel with the father only. Okay, लगभग 1 घंटा रुककर पिताजी वापस चले गए, परंतु मीनू को घर के स्नेह जाल की स्मृति फिर ताजा कर गए. So what happened? Only the 1 hour is over. With 1 hour he spent the time with father, and after that again she become very sad because father came or he talked with her and all the things what is happening in her house, all the news and everything. When she come to know, again she become very sad. When father is leaving to the hostel, so again she is feeling very sad. Okay, so I hope that this lesson is easy, not that much difficult to understand, because one by one lesson when we are reading in the novel, so it is easy for us to understand what is there. Okay, so in the same you can see the lesson 5, the first extract and second extract, you can see that only 3 extract is given there. The first extract you can see what is given there. Just you take your handbook, page number 45, lessons 5, page number 45. Just we will discuss and we will wind up the class. Okay, the first one what is given there, वह स्वयं ही दृढ़ता और साहस की मूर्ति है. उतार चढ़ाव तो हर इंसान की जिंदगी में आते रहते हैं. उसने साहस से काम लिया, उसने विवाह का सपना देखना ही छोड़ दिया. उसके सामने इतनी लंबी जिंदगी पड़ी थी जिसका वह एक क्षण व्यर्थ नहीं होने देना चाहती। तो व्हाट इज आस्क्ड देयर, उपयुक्त अवतरण किसके बारे में कहा गया है, उसने विवाह का सपना क्यों देखना छोड़ दिया। सो दैट paragraph or that extract is given, it is saying about whom? It is saying about Meenu, right? So why she stopped dreaming about her marriage? Okay, why she stopped? Because her marriage. What is the reason? क्योंकि वो हमेशा अपने आप को क्या करती, हमेशा अपने आप को हीन भावना से देखना शुरू किया, राइट? She started hating herself, that I don't like, because all the time boys are coming and they like me, and when they are giving their answer, so they are rejecting me. So like that she started thinking, I am not good, my height is very short, I am short height, I am not that much fair, like that all the thinking, she started thinking about that all the things. Because of that only she decided that she will never marriage. Okay, the next one is given there that मीनू ने अपने समय का सदुपयोग करने के लिए क्या निर्णय किया, क्या उसके माता पिता ने उसके निर्णय को सुनकर राजी हो गए। So what she decided, how she will spend her time, what she decided, and mother and father whether they gave that permission to her. What is that answer? Yes, मीनू के माता पिता ने उसे वह समय दे दिया था और मीनू ने अपने समय का सदुपयोग करने के लिए वकालत पढ़ने का निर्णय लिया। So what she decided? She decided that she will become a lawyer, and माता पिता ने उसे वकालत पढ़ने के लिए राजी हो गए थे। मीनू ने मन में उमड़ी लगन को देखकर उसके पिता ने वकालत करने की आज्ञा दे दी थी। Already father, when he come to know and mother, they both come to know, so they know that now the present situation is not good, so better she has to move from here, then only she will be happy in her life. So mother and father, they both allow her to go to the hostel and she can do the higher studies. Next one is given there, मीनू ने वकालत पढ़ने के लिए दाखिला कहाँ लिया, घर छोड़ने से पहले वह क्या सोच रही थी। So where she took the admission, and when she is leaving the house, so what she was thinking. मीनू ने वकालत पढ़ने के लिए मेरठ में दाखिला लिया था। घर छोड़ने से पहले वह सोच रही थी कि अभी तक वह हमेशा अपने माता पिता के साथ रह रही और पढ़ी है, हॉस्टल में कैसे रहेगी, इस कल्पना मात्र से वह सिहर उठती, परंतु यह सोचकर उसका रोम रोम गदगद हो जाता कि वह एक वकील बनेगी। So she took the admission in Meerut. When she is thinking about that, because first time she is leaving her house, and before that she was not leaving their mother and father. The first time she is leaving, so she is thinking that how she will be in the hostel, what will be the situation, and how she will meet, whether she will get the good friends or not, like that. She was thinking, she become very sad. The fourth one you can see that hostel जाने से पहले मीनू ने क्या क्या तैयारी की, उसके माता पिता के साथ व्यवहार में कैसा परिवर्तन आ गया। So what she did, hostel जाने से पहले she stitched many clothes, new clothes, and mother every day she will make the different items, food items, and she is giving what she like. And father also, when he is coming from the office, something he will bring for the मीनू। नेक्स्ट वन इज गिवन देयर, मीनू की माँ ने किसी समय वकालत पढ़ने का विरोध किया था। आज वही माँ हॉस्टल जाते समय मीनू से क्या कह रही है। तो when mother said no need to study for the law, when mother said, when she was child, right, when she was 10 or 15 years age, that time when one day father is asking to her that what you will be become in your life, so that time she was saying that I will be become a big and famous lawyer. But that time mother is saying, no girls, they will not study this much, what you have studied, that is enough, mother is saying. But in the today what is the condition is there, what is the present situation is there, for that mother is agree for that. So first mother was, she is not agree, when she grown up and the situation, present situation is not up to the Meenu's life, so she gave the permission to, she can go for the law, she is giving her blessing, and mother is saying that in your life you have to be success, जीवन की सारी खुशियां तुम्हारे पास हो, तुम अपने उद्देश्य प्राप्ति में सफल हो, यही ईश्वर से मेरी प्रार्थना है। So mother is giving the blessing, and mother is saying that in your life you have to achieve your all the goals, and you have to become a famous lawyer. Okay, so this first extract you have to study. Okay, first extract 5 will be there. You know that extract will be the small, but the question answer will be the 5. So that 5 question answer you have to study, and second one also you can study. Okay, second one you just read and keep that one. In the next class we will discuss. Okay children, so today's class I am going to wind up. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp. Okay, that you have not understand anything, or otherwise in the next class I will clarify your doubts. Okay children, so today's class I am going to wind up. So next class we will meet children. Thank you.